delicious and simple one-pan dinner. All the food groups going in. 1 tablespoon. Fabulous. Onion powder, 1 teaspoon. Boom it. Garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. Italian herbs, 2 teaspoons. Look, sazon. Look close. That one. That's how she looks. Now I'm gonna massage it all in. Per person, carrots, and we're gonna cut these into 6 pieces. And I'm just gonna cut these in like chunks. I'll show you. And I guess everyone does not get a carrot, only get 3. I put them in a bowl. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some olive oil on it. Just like that, just like that. Adobo. And I'm gonna put about a teaspoon in here. Okay, a little bit of garlic powder. A half a teaspoon of this, just a half. And a little bit of Italian herbs. Here's how she looks. Now I'm gonna mix her up. I'm gonna let these guys marinate too for about a half hour, right along with that chicken, then I'm gonna come back. I actually had more chicken than I thought, so I have 2 pans, and I just put the chicken in first and nestled the potatoes and carrots around it, and now it's going in the oven. Going in the oven at 350, and then I'm gonna crank up the heat at the end. I have to tell you I drizzled olive oil over it before I put it in the oven. Okay, it's going back in. Well, closing the door. Slide to the right. 3 hops. Okay. It is. Ooh, hot honey, hot honey. Looks so good. But we're gonna crank it up. 400. Just for the last 10 minutes. Gosh. Oh my gosh. Done. Look at this. Hear that? It's fabulous. Oh my gosh. It just goes right through. And it sucked up all the good seasoning. Take a carrot, take a potato. There you go. 1 of each. That's all you get. Okay.
Good stuff.
Oh, he's just ripping into it. Caveman.
Good skin. Good. 10.
10 out of?
10.
10 out of 10? Eddie is a man of few words. Look. Oh my gosh. Lovely day. Lovely day. Lovely day. Lovely day. Uh-huh. A crunch. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. Make it.